Hello students, today we solve all questions of exercise 1.1. Let's see, the first question is, state which of the following are statements. Justify your answer in case of statements. Write down its truth value. First statement is 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. And solution is, it is a statement which is false, hence its truth value is false. Here 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, but answer is 13, that means it is false. Since we write here its truth value is f. Second statement is x minus 3 is equal to 15. It is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement, because here in this statement variables x, since it is an open sentence. Next statement, close the door. It is imperative sentence, it is not a statement. Next statement, 0 is complex number. It is a statement which is true and its truth value is t. 0 is complex number is true. Next, please get me breakfast. It is imperative sentence, hence it is not statement. Next, congruent triangle are also similar. Answer is, it is a statement which is true and its truth value is t. See this figure diagram. Here these two triangles are congruent and similar. Since we can say that congruent triangles are also similar. Next is x square is equal to x, and answer is, it is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement, because in this statement variables x, since this is open sentence. Next is, a quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. Answer is, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is t. Next statement, do you like mathematics? Answer is, it is an interrogative sentence, hence it is not a statement. Next statement, the sun sets in the west. It is a statement which is true and hence its truth value is t. Next statement is, all real numbers are whole numbers. Solution, it is a statement which is false, hence its truth value is false. See this diagram here. Whole numbers means 0 and natural numbers are whole numbers, but real numbers is root 5, minus 7, 63, and also natural numbers. But all real numbers are not whole numbers, since this statement is false. Next, can you speak in Marathi? And so answer is, it is an interrogative sentence, hence it is not a statement. Next statement, x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 when x equal to 7. And solution is, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is t. When we put the value of x equal to 7 in this equation, then we get the answer 0. Then this statement is true. Next statement, the sum of cube root of unity is 0. And solution is, it is a statement which is true, hence its truth value is t. You already study in 11th standard this property. The cube root of unity is 0. Since we say that it is true and its truth value is t. Next statement, it rains heavily. Solution is, it is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement. Question 2. Write the following compound statement symbolically. First compound statement is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. In this statement, the conjunction use, this word is conjunction. Let's see the solution. Write down first statement by small letter P, and second statement write down Q letter, small q letter. Nagpur, P is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Q Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Then symbolic form is P and Q. This symbol read as P and Q. Second statement, triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Write down here solution. First statement write down by P letter and second statement write down by Q letter. And in this statement or word use, that is disjunction, since the symbolic form is P or Q. Next statement, the angle is right angle if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. See this statement, the word if and only if. This is biconditional statement. Biconditional statement means if the word if and only if is connect two statements, then this statement is called as biconditional statements. Solution write down. First statement write down by P letter, the angle is right angle. And second statement Q, the angle is of measure 90 degree. Then symbolic form is P biconditional Q. Another symbol of biconditional is this. This is the biconditional symbol, and this is also biconditional symbol. Next, angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Solution. First, write down here P statement. Here write down opposite of this. Angle is neither means angle is acute, and second statement is angle is nor obtuse. Write down here positive statement, angle is obtuse. And the symbolic form is negation P and negation Q, because we write the symbolic form of this statement. Since negation P means angle is neither acute and negation Q means angle is nor obtuse, opposite of Q statement. Here read these notes. The words such as but, yet, still, in spite, though, moreover, while, neither, nor are also used to connect the simple statements. These words are generally used by replacing and. That means this statement conjunction, since we use this symbol and. Next statement, if triangle ABC is right angle at B, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is 90 degree. Let's see the solution here. First statement write down P, triangle ABC is right angle at B, and second statement is Q, measure of angle plus measure of angle C is 90 degree. Then symbolic form is P implication Q, because in this statement the word is if then. That means this is implication or conditional statement, since we use here implication symbol, and read as P implication Q or P implies Q. Another symbol of this is the implication symbol, remember. Next, Hima Das wins gold medal if and only if she runs fast. Here in this statement the word is if and only if. That means this is biconditional statement since we use biconditional symbol. Let's see solution. Let P. Hima Das wins gold medal. And second statement, Q. Hima Das run fast. Then symbolic form is P biconditional Q. Another symbol is, this is also biconditional symbol. Next, x is not irrational number, but x is square of an integer. Let's see the solution. First, write down first statement P. When in the statement is negative sentence, then we write P statement in positive. Remember here, P is x is an irrational number and Q is another statement, x is square of an integer. Then symbolic form is negation P and Q. This word is conjunction and symbol of conjunction is and. Question number 3. Write the truth values of the following. First statement is 4 is